Hey there, are you looking for savvy ways to make some extra cash? This week, I've got some exciting tips to help you learn how to earn with Craigslist. Whether you're decluttering, flipping items for profit, or starting a side hustle, Craigslist is a valuable tool for earning money. In this guide, we'll explore some creative strategies to maximize your income through Craigslist while ensuring a smooth and secure experience. Step 1. Sell unwanted items. A straightforward way to earn money on Craigslist is by selling items you no longer need. Start by decluttering your home and identifying items such as furniture, electronics, clothing, and appliances that are in good condition. Take clear, well-lit photos and write a detailed description for each listing, including measurements, brand information, and any imperfections. Be honest and transparent to build trust with potential buyers. Pricing items competitively will help you attract more interest and sell faster. Step 2. Flip items for profit. Flipping items on Craigslist can be a profitable endeavor if done strategically. Start by researching popular and in-demand items in your area, such as vintage furniture, electronics, or collectibles. Purchase these items at a low cost or snag free listings. Then clean, repair, or refurbish them to increase their value. Make your listings stand out with high-quality photos and detailed descriptions. Over time, you'll develop an eye for valuable finds, helping you maximize your profits. Step 3. Offer services. If you have a skill or expertise, consider offering services on Craigslist. Whether you're a handyman, tutor, photographer, or graphic designer, Craigslist is a great platform to connect with local clients. Create a professional listing that highlights your skills, experience, and competitive rates. Provide examples of your work or client testimonials to boost credibility. Regularly update your listings and respond promptly to inquiries to build a strong client base. Step 4. Provide property listings. Real estate rentals and sublettals are popular categories on Craigslist. If you have a spare room, apartment, or vacation home, you can list them on Craigslist to find tenants or subletters. Be sure to include clear photos, location details, rent rates, and lease terms in your listing. Solidify agreements with written contracts and prioritize background checks to ensure a safe and reliable arrangement. Managing property on Craigslist can serve as a significant source of income. Step 5. Safety and security tips. While Craigslist is a great platform to earn money, safety is paramount. Always meet potential buyers or clients in public, well-lit areas, preferably during daylight hours. If the item being sold is large or you're showing a property, it's wise to have someone accompany you. Avoid sharing personal information like your full home address in the initial listing. Conduct transactions in cash or through secure online payment systems to prevent fraud. With these methods, you can maximize your earnings through Craigslist safely and effectively. Whether you're selling unwanted items, flipping treasures, offering services, or renting property, the opportunities are plentiful. Remember to be vigilant and prioritize safety when dealing with potential buyers or clients. By following these steps, you can make the most of this versatile platform, turn clutter into cash, and perhaps even discover new entrepreneurial ventures. Happy earning.